Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. I want to say one more thing, that is that I have stated before for years now, many years, um, that there's been a steady influx, okay, of people here to the Ozark Plateau. Got tired, or got hot, or got cold. I don't know. Been going on for decades. Okay. Um, but I had said that the day would come, and that's just, one lady one time said, she lived in Southern California, she said every week somebody I know is moving to the Ozarks. That was on a group of, Yahoo group, 200 people. So, that was 15 years ago. The pace is picking up. The clock is ticking. Um, if we're going to do anything, we need to make it happen together fairly soon. But what I've said is that there will be a trickle, and that's basically what's been happening up until now. Then it will increase to a steady stream of people. Then it will grow to be a river of people coming here. And then it will grow to be a flood. And then a tsunami. So, when there's only one lifeboat, everybody swims for it and tries to get on board. So, I just wanted to say that, where I've spent quite a bit of time, and the reason I first came down here to Arkansas was because I had said the words drive now or walk later, and this dear sister heard those 5 words, and instead of looking her into Missouri, Ava area, she landed quite a bit closer to where her family is. So, there you have it. Friends and family. You can't tell I'm extremely tired. Oh, blood pressure. Much better. Sister Kathy, who is living in her car, for crying out loud, give her a holler and help her, or call me. I'm not even going to mess with it right now, but I already put her number out on other videos. Yeah, she's been counseling me, and I've been listening for the first time in my life. Well, not really the first time. Once before, I mean, I've been eating much better on a regular basis. And so, but because of the blood pressure being high for so many days in a row, that I was just, you know, wondering what was going to happen. That would be really bad and really, uh, it would slow me down a lot. I got a headache. Right, so, um, started eating much better, a lot of fruit, salads, veggies, and I'm feeling better, feeling stronger. I did not all day today. I stayed at a motel, did not get to sleep until almost 4, checked out at noon, did not get anywhere close to enough sleep. Drove to Harrison, and then to where I'm at now, wondering if I was going to have a place to sleep. Anyway, sorry. Um, Tsunami coming in, but that'll be down the road. Don't worry about it right now. What we need to worry about right now is all we have to do to decide. All we have to decide is what we're going to do with the time that has left us. Gandalf. Go further. So, need to make it real, people. We need to get real. We need to make it real. There is nothing going to be phony about what's happening. It's going to be real. You need to have real people around you. Alright, this is Jerry Diamond. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. Good night.